Okay, so it seems I'm live because I got my notification. Let me just change the AC temperature. Oh, let's go cool. Okay, great. So finally we are live, and this is Sunday Live as usual. So we have three important things to talk about today. First one is the videos, and the second topic we're going to discuss about is quiz. We'll be playing a small quiz today, not a big one. And then we'll be going for a QA session where you will ask me questions and I will try to answer those questions, right? As usual, with the thing which we do. But before going for that, let me just go back to my YouTube channel just to verify if it is working properly. Okay, I need to hear myself out there. I hope it's properly audible. Oh yeah, so it's properly audible. Great. So let's start with the topic, which is videos. Now, if you can see if you see the title of the video, it is 1,000 videos, and yes. So on YouTube now we have 1,000 videos, and that's great. So we have reached that another benchmark of 1,000 videos. Now, in those 1,000 videos, no, we don't have any scrappy video or a waste video, because normally what we do is, when we, as a YouTube content creator, when we sometimes post some videos which are not for you, it's for ourselves, so all my videos which were of no use, I have deleted them last month. So I guess around 20 videos which I have deleted last month. So again, by deleting those videos, I lost the number of views, I lost my ranking, and I lost what else I lost? The number of likes on that video. So yes, I lost a lot of things, but I wanted to keep this channel clean, so I deleted those videos. And finally, we have reached that benchmark of 1,000 videos. So yes, I'm excited. That was my, why my benchmark, to post as much as content as possible. Of course, quality content, not any content. So yes, we have reached that benchmark, and I hope I'm able to, give you all those things in a proper way. Okay, great. Okay, am I looking a bit dark today because of the lights? Uh, okay, I should be going live at 6:30 or 6:45. That's a good time, because if I go near window now, it's the sun which is getting exposed. Anyway, okay, so what we'll do is, so yeah, the second thing we have is quiz. Again, we'll be playing a small quiz here. In total, I have 6 questions. In fact, if you remember last year as well, last year in month of Feb or March, we did the same thing. We played some quiz. It was a kind of quiz where we played using Hangout. So multiple people were there, I guess, in the Hangout, and then uh, we were playing this, and the winner, they got a free course, right? But today we don't have that much. We just have I just have six questions here. I also have the answers for them on this paper, so you will not be able to see that. Let's see how it goes. Now, before that, I have one more thing. So yes, I'll be answering your questions. So put your questions there. I will be answering those things. But before that, if you liked my videos, and if you want these sort of sessions, let me know by clicking on the like button there, because I can see more than 100 people are watching this, and we don't have that much of likes there. So make sure that you click on the like button there. Okay, so now, how many of you are ready for the quiz here? Come on, go for I am or something. So let me know how many are excited for the small quiz. Again, not big. It's only 6 questions. Now, what do you want? What you have to do? The moment I ask a question, I will ask. I will ask a question, and you need to type that in a chat window. The answer in the chat window. Now, okay. So I will ask you 2 questions, because there's a delay in the thing in the video. So I will ask you 2 questions, and then you have to answer that one by one. So first question, again, you can use Google, but I don't know how fast you are to Google it. So the first question is, which company acquired Yahoo? Okay, so that's first question. So which company acquired Yahoo? And the second question is, creator of Hibernate framework. I mean, which company created Hibernate framework? Come on. Okay, so Sai Swaroop says Microsoft. No, the answer is not. Yahoo. Microsoft is not. Have not bought Yahoo. It's another company. It's not Facebook. It's not Google. And we got the first right answer from Jay, and the answer is Verizon. Yes, the answer is Verizon. So Verizon bought Yahoo last. I guess it was in June 2007, because that yes, it was June, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so that's the question. That's the answer. The second question is creator of Hibernate framework. Which company created Hibernate framework? Some people are saying Oracle. No, it's not Oracle. Uh, okay, some people say it's no idea. That's a good answer. Okay, Gavin King. Yes, but then the company. So the company is Red Hat. So Red Hat is managing Hibernate. That's right. So Weber Shetty has given the right answer. It's Red Hat. That's great. Now the next question. Next question is who is the? I mean, which company has created a language called Kotlin? Come on, Kotlin created by like which? So Kotlin created by which company? And the second question is what is the extension of Kotlin files? Example for Java, we have .java. About what about Kotlin? Come on, chat window is there. And people who are watching this session later, not as a live session, you can answer that in the comment section. I will give a heart if you give the right answer. So yes, we got the answer, and the first answer is given by whom? It's again Jay, and Jay says JetBrains. Maybe Jay, you know a lot, or you are very fast with Google. That's great, Jay. And the second answer is from Devidas. So that's great. Uh, you are giving right answers. That's great. So the answer is JetBrains. And what is the extension? And that's why the extension is .kt. And the first one who has given this answer, okay, you can see there are so many people, and the chat is just going up. I need to search. It's from Mayank, I guess. So Mayank has given the right answer. It's .kt. Can you see me? Some people are saying you can't see me there. Maybe it's something wrong with your network. Okay. Okay, so we have done with 4 questions and 2 more questions, and that's it. We are going for a small quiz as usual. So next question is okay. So there are 2 products which are very famous in the industry. So when you join an industry, you will be using these 2 products for sure. The first one is Jira. So Jira is one of the products which most of the companies uses. And we have one more product which is Bitbucket. Again, you have a choice of using GitLab, GitHub, or Bitbucket. So if we talk about these 2 products, which is Jira and Bitbucket, they have one thing in common. So what is that? So Jira product and Bitbucket, they have one thing in common. Come on. That's right. So we got the answer from Omkar, and Omkar says Atlassian. That's right. So both these products are made by Atlassian. So that's right. Here we go, Omkar. And then one last question, which is remaining here. Is it? We have a last question. Yeah. And the last question is very easy. You just need to Google it. Let's see who is doing it fast. And the question is, what is the Bitcoin rate now, or the value? In dollars or in rupees, doesn't matter. Both will do. Okay, Abhishek says Jira in a bucket. that's great. Okay, so come on, is it 2 INR? No, of course not. It's 6 lakhs. No, I guess the price went down. Yes, it's approximately 5 lakhs. It's 4 to 5 lakhs rupees, and approximately yeah, just approximately 4 lakhs, you can say, and $6,000, 6,300, but you can round it up. So that's great. So that's about the quiz. Again, in the next session, we'll again try to do some quiz, because I love quiz, because it will help you to know new things. Because, of course, you can read everything on Google, but then, your brain works in a different way. When you read something, you might not remember it. But if someone asking you a question, and if you don't know the answer, and if you're reading that on Google, it sticks to your mind there. So that's the idea. Okay, that's about the quiz. So we have done with the announcement of 1,000 videos, and then we have a quiz. Now, the next important thing is very important, which is Sunday QA. So, of course, Sunday is for you, where I will try to answer your questions. So here we go. Let's start with Q&A. Now, so before starting with Q&A, I just want to thank everyone who given super chat in the there's echo. So in the who have done super chat in the last session, super chat is always helpful because this channel is not providing any courses, right? So all the videos are free online. Is it B C plus plus, is it C, Java, or the Python videos which are coming? Everything is free on this channel. In fact, not just core Java, we have advanced part. Now the only way to earn is of course YouTube ads, but then you cannot expect much from YouTube ads because this educational channel we don't get millions of views. And the best way to get revenue from or get from help from you guys would be donations and super chat. Yes, there are some people who have donated last week. So thank you everyone for donations and super chat as well. And let's start with the questions now. Okay, so let me just take out any questions which I can see here. Okay, and all the questions went up so fast. So SK Panchal says, "Hey bro, you remember me?" Okay, I forgot, I guess. If you can give me a full name, I might remember and the location. Okay, so required skills for RESTful API. So this question is from Shubhas and say, what are the skills required to learn a RESTful API? Is it the question? The answer is one language because you can build REST APIs in different language as well. So I would say, let's say if you learn Java, if you're doing in Java, then core Java you should be knowing. And you should be knowing how to work with HTTP methods because see, a lot of people they miss this stuff. They only focus on programming language. They don't focus on other stuff like networking, the protocols. So those are important for the RESTful API, and you should be well aware with this server technology because if you know servlet, it will be easier for you to learn REST API. So I would say core Java, servlets, and bit of networking. Okay. Nitish says, do you want to add advanced Java? For what? Advanced Java is there on channel, right? So Spring Framework is advanced Java. I do have videos on Hibernate, that is advanced Java. I do have videos on JDBC, that's advanced Java. What advanced Java are talking about? Okay, so Ritesh says, nice t-shirt, sir. Oh, is it? Okay, this is just a prototype version. This is not a final version of t-shirt. Will be so. Again, this is the only t-shirt which I printed. So next time I'll be doing a print in lot so that I can distribute to my subscribers when we have a meetup. Of course, I cannot distribute to everyone because this is costly. Okay, I am still searching for a cheap deals for t-shirts because this costed me a lot. I don't know why. Maybe it's not even a good quality t-shirt which I'm expecting. I ordered it online and so it was a bit costly and not up to the mark, the way I wanted. So let's see. I'm looking for some cheap deals so that I can buy in bulk and then I can distribute. Okay, so Praveen says, "Are you Telugu?" Yes, I am Telugu. Okay, next one. What is the best course after Java? Oh, yeah, that's a question I wanted to answer in a separate video. So if you remember in the last video, in the last to last video, I guess I have talked about I'm planning for this thing where you can ask me any question and then later I can answer your questions on another channel in depth. So let's say if you have a question like this, what to learn after Java. In fact, I do have a video. But then a lot of people, they get confused what to do after Java. I did advanced Java, Android, or something else. I would say it's all depend upon what you want to be. Example, if you love mobile phones, of course you will go for Android. If you love server programming, you will go for advanced Java. Everything is a best option. Sometimes like learning core Java is not an option for you. It's compulsion. You have to learn it. But working on, after that, going for Android or enterprise, that's your choice. That's you should be deciding. But both has a good future. It depends upon how passionate you are for those things. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so Heather says, I'm from Pakistan. I've watched every video. Navin Reddy is one of the best person. Oh, thank you so much, Heather. I thought that's was a question, but yeah, thank you so much. My pleasure. Okay. Oh, SK Panchal is that guy of Haveli. Oh, I remember. Okay. So SK, you're making sure that you will join each live session and then you will ask me to do something in Hindi, right? Okay, so JK says, please teach Dart after Python. Yes, I was thinking about Dart videos before Python, actually. But then, because see, the thing is, the Android technology is changing now from, so we shifted from Java to Kotlin, but now we also have Flutter, using which you can easily make web apps or Android applications, and it uses Dart. And Dart being a Google language, it will get famous in future. So I was thinking about Dart, but then suddenly Python came into picture. Everyone wanted Python, so I thought, let's go for Python then. Okay, so okay, next question. What is Web 3.0? Web 3.0 is basically a decentralized internet. So nowadays we are living in a centralized internet where all your data is managed by few companies like Google, Facebook, Amazon, and they have the power on your data. They have the power what to do, what not to do. And if you want to earn on your data, you can't even do that. And that's where we are going for decentralized internet, and that's where we have the Web 3.0. Again, I will try to make a detailed video on that, but in live we cannot talk about much on those things. Okay, so Omkar says Django, question mark. Yes, maybe after completing the language fundamentals of Python, I might choose one framework, maybe Django or Flask. Let's see. Okay. Technical King says, why we use Ruby? We use Ruby to make web applications because Ruby is a good language, but then it became one of the amazing language when it worked on Rails framework. So we have Ruby on Rails, and using Ruby on Rails, you can make amazing web applications very easily. So that's one of the idea why people go for Ruby, but then things are changing nowadays because of JavaScript, because of Python. So people are moving more towards JavaScript and Python, less with Ruby. Okay, so Mehmadi Raj Kumar says, hello, sir. May I know what is the story behind the name Telusko? As my knowledge, it called as no in Telugu. That's right. So that means no. Telusko means no. That's it. Okay. Okay. Tips for this question is from Sarup. Tips for second year CSC student. Okay, what tips I should give you? So I would say if you're in second year, there's the best time, to improve yourself. Now, what normally happens is people wait for the last year. Example, you get into college and in first year, then second year just goes like that, and then third year goes like that. And fourth year, you realize, you need to improve yourself, and you start improving yourself in fourth year, and that's where the problem starts. Because in fourth year you don't have much time. So second year is the best time. Now you need to. So the best tip I would give is always follow these steps. Don't just jump to anywhere. There are some people nowadays that directly jump to machine learning, directly jump to AI. It's good if you are passionate about those technologies, but then do you have the what do you say prerequisite with you? Example, let's say if you want to go into blockchain, if you want to go into AI, there are certain prerequisites you have to first clear. And if you are good with those prerequisites, of course, learning that those technologies will be worthful. I'm not saying it will be easy, but the efforts which you're giving will be worth. Because if you're directly learning AI in second year, you might suffer. You might start hating those technologies. So complete the basics. Whenever you learn something new, always make sure that whenever you learn, let's say if you're learning Java, there are some prerequisites for Java. Just complete them first and then go next. Now, let's say you are done with the prerequisite. Now you know the technology. Now what next? Just learning technology will not be helpful. You need to also make some projects. Maybe at least one project. I would suggest 3 projects because 3 different projects in 3 different domains will give you overall knowledge, but then at least one will be helpful. So learn new technologies, make sure that you're done with the prerequisite, and make projects. And compete online or in online competitions. Contribute to open source technology. You can contribute to the Telusko Learning as well by making some applications for the Telusko Learning. That's how you grow. Okay. Next question. What are the prerequisites for AI and machine learning? I guess we have talked about that in the previous video. So what you can do is just watch my video on how to learn AI. But if you just want to get, in brief, you need to be good with maths, which is calculus, then probability, statistics. You need to good with algorithms, how to build your own algorithms. Because see, nowadays, everyone want to be a developer, but no one want to build their own algorithms, and that's where things are going wrong nowadays. So start building your own algorithm because it will be helpful. So those are the requirements you have. Okay, so question is Python or Java? I mean, why you need to choose one? Why cannot you go for both? See, there are some people who are passionate about Java, like me. I used to love Java. I still love Java. Java is the project which I'm still working on. They are on Java. Now, the reason why I'm teaching Python is because there are a lot of people they are requesting Python. It's not that I'll be using Python to build projects. I might in future. Let's say if I go for machine learning, it will be helpful for me. And the second thought is if I know something, why not make a video and publish it? So it's not that I'm moving from Java field. Java is good because maybe, in fact, I got some comments on my YouTube videos, that you're moving from Java to Python. It's not. I'm not moving. I'm just creating more content for you people. That's it. I still love Java, and Java is one of the best language. No one can beat it. And Python is best in its own domain. So which one to choose? I will still say if you want to work for the enterprise market, go for Java. Java is still dominating in the enterprise market. But yes, if you want to get into startups, if you want to get into some technology like machine learning, those technologies, you can go for Python. And I would also suggest learn both. Don't wait. Don't just depend upon one technology. You never know which company will hire you. Okay, will you teach web scraping? Not decided yet, So I'm doing it in phases now. So the first phase would be completing Android tutorials. Not Android, Python tutorials. Once I complete Python language fundamentals, then I might think about a web framework, then web scraping, and all those stuff. As of now, it's only Python fundamentals. Okay, there's a question from Gaurav. Enterprise market kya hota hai? Yeah, okay, this is amazing question. Everyone should ask this question. Enterprise market is basically where we have big companies like IBM, Oracle, Microsoft. What they do is, in fact, not just these companies, we have some service-based companies as well, like Infosys, TCS. What they do is they create business solutions. Example, let's say if you are working for Indian Railways, or if Indian Railways, they want to automate their system, the ticketing system. So this company, they will build entire software for them, but not a single software. It will be an enterprise level software. Everything will be connected to each other. And that's enterprise projects. So it's one big project for one big company. So when that one big project will have certain modules and everything will be connected, that is enterprise projects. Yeah. Okay, question from Daniel. Do this channel has algorithms course? No, I was supposed to make algorithms as well, but then this thing came out. So yes, I will be posting algorithms videos soon, but maybe after completing Python and microservices. Or maybe I will surprise you in between. Okay. Courses on data structures algorithms. Yes, we do have data structure course, which is almost there. It's still not complete, but then algorithms is not there on this channel. Okay, so Madhusudan says, you did say about Jakarta EE. What is that about? Yeah, so Jakarta EE is basically the next version of Java EE. Since Java EE came from one point in Java 2, Java 3, Java 4, and then we have Java 8. But then they wanted to update it, but Oracle is not that fast to update Java EE. So what they did, they have Eclipse is taking care of. Is it Eclipse or yeah? So Oracle is not working on this thing, which is Java EE. So now we have the new one, which is Jakarta EE. So all the new updates which is going on will be done with the help of Jakarta EE. So there's no Java EE anymore. Okay, so people are watching this from a long time. Just click on like button there if you're enjoying this, guys. I cannot see much likes. Okay, something just hold on. Need to just verify if everything is going good. Okay, things are going good. So the next question we have is, this is Amol. Your videos on advanced Java Spring are very nice. Oh, thank you so much. You know, a lot of people so my Spring videos are going very good, but then people are not appreciating it. So now I got an appreciation. That's great. Okay, next question is Ubuntu or Manjaro? I have not heard about Manjaro. How do you pronounce it? I don't know. Okay, I have worked on Ubuntu, CentOS, Debian, but not on Medj. Okay, I don't know. I don't even know the name. Okay, so I want to learn Google App Engine. That's great. Start with it. Devidas says Node.js replaced Java. Is it? No, no. See, enterprise market is huge. There are some companies they are going for Node.js, but then I don't think it will be completely replacing it. Oh, there's a lag. That's bad. Is it only for you or for everyone else? Okay, so we have done with so many questions. JK says Dart, please. Okay, I will try. Okay, Go language future. I don't know where Go is going because Google is supporting Go a lot. They have used Go for for making Dropbox. I don't know what will the future of Go. Not much into it. Okay, Harshit says JavaScript and Java the same thing. No, JavaScript and Java is not same. They are way different. Way different. It's just that in 1995 when Java came into picture, JavaScript was having a different name, and then when Java got famous, JavaScript wanted to get famous, so they copied Java name from that. There's nothing common in Java and JavaScript. They are very different. Java is a general purpose language. JavaScript was a client language, but now it is everywhere. So they are very different. In fact, there's a joke on JavaScript. Okay, I'm not the one who is making a joke, but then I just want to tell about that. So JavaScript and Java, the difference is same as car and carpet. Okay, both has car word, but then are different. Okay, so okay, VK World says, is testing good for making career in IT? Of course, why not? We need testers, right? So as we have developers, we have support team, we need testers as well. Now, the only thing is don't get into manual testing because we have automation there. So we have automation testing, which is replacing manual now. So I would say go for learn certain frameworks like Selenium, and then it should be good. Okay, so it's already half an hour done. Next 5-10 minutes because this is Sunday. I want to work on something else. Okay, where was I? Is Studs now outdated? Yeah, so question from Amol is Studs now outdated? And the answer is yes. No one is using Studs nowadays. Yes, the old projects, the projects which are already built on Studs, they are still continuing with Studs because it's difficult to shift to new frameworks suddenly, So people who have worked on Studs before, companies who have worked on Studs before, maybe they are using it. But other than that, I don't think any new project will be using Studs. Okay. Okay, question from MacBook something. Sir, can a programmer be called as a guru? Why not? See, guru is someone who knows in and out of something and who can explain, right? I feel that's guru. So if you know something in and out and if you can explain, you're a guru. That's right. Okay, so Nishikant Paul says, which degree do you have? I have a degree of Masters in IT. So I've done my Masters of Science in Information Technology from Mumbai. That's my degree. Okay. So Naveen says, which courses is best for developing Insta-like app? Okay, so I guess Instagram, they shifted to Uh, Flutter, I guess. I'm not sure. I just heard about it. Or React. Instagram is using React, I guess. So I would say first learn Android. And see, Instagram is nothing big, It's just a simple image sharing application. I would say, in fact, I got this question a lot. Which technology we should use to excel in Android or to learn to earn from Android apps? See, when you want to earn something, it's not technology which you can earn. It's all business ideas. You might be knowing small stuff. I mean, you might be knowing something about Android, but then you might earn a lot because of your business ideas. Or maybe you know everything about Android and you have built the best applications, with good techniques, but then no one is using it because that's not good. That's not a good business idea. So if you want to earn, it's not about technology; it's about business ideas. Okay, so that's important. Keep that in mind. Okay, question from Arjun. React Native or Flutter? See, I don't work on both. I don't work on React and Flutter. But as a Google fanboy, I would say Flutter because I believe Google always do. So when Google starts something new, they continue it. But in terms of React, which is made by Facebook, and yes, we do have a community who will help React, but then Facebook is not a tech company, I believe. It's just a business company. But when it comes to Google, they are tech company. So I would say Flutter has a better future. Okay, that's my opinion. Okay, React might have because I don't want. So this is just my opinion. Okay, now last two questions and then we are done. Okay, so I know I'm not able to answer all the questions because no, just questions are just going up. Okay, what is the future of OCP, which is Oracle Certificate for Programmers? Certifications were important till last decade, which is till 2010. But from 2011, I feel companies are shifting their focus uh, you know, uh, from certificates to projects. So if you really want to get a job now, I would say, make projects and get a job. Okay, so Robin says, how internship going? Yes, internship is going good. So maybe tomorrow evening I will be getting some updates from my interns, and then we'll update you. Okay, one last question. Okay, where's the question? Where are the questions? Okay, I don't know why every question is weird now. Okay, how to learn IoT? Oh, I got this question a lot. Okay, so if you want to learn IoT, you can just go to Coursera. There are some free courses available, so you can go to Coursera or EDX. There are courses available for IoT. You can learn them for free as usual. Uh, so don't worry. In fact, just whatever you want to learn, just go to Coursera and search for it, and you should be good. You should be good. Okay, now one last about Telusko. Just to repeat, Telusko is a Telugu word which means get to know, and so that's our thing. That's why I've kept it Telusko. Okay, now one more. So that's it from this live session. Again, I will try to go live again, maybe in this week or on Sunday. So if you want to contribute, if you want to help Telusko Learning, you can still donate. You can donate with the help of InstaMojo. You can just go to my website, telusko.com. There's a contact us tab. You will find links there. Or you can help me on donate using Paytm if you're using Paytm. So I will share my Paytm number in the chat window if you want to help me. So that's my Paytm number if you want to donate. Because there are so many videos on the way and there are so many learnings on the way. So I need your support here. So that's it, everyone. Bye-bye. I tried my best to answer all your questions and we'll see you in the next live sessions. Bye-bye.